Good morning and welcome back to another episode from Bhagwan Birsa Biological Park. The courtship display of the Alexandrine parakeet involves simple vocal and visual behaviors, mainly shown by the male during the breeding season. He attracts the female by calling loudly, bobbing his head and standing upright while slightly spreading his wings and tail. The male may tap his beak on the perch and offer food to the female as a part of courtship feeding. If the female is receptive, she remains calm, lowers her head, and accepts the food, helping to form a strong pair bond.